Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Q1FY2024 result review. Aggregate earnings of Nifty 50 companies grew by 30% year-on-year in Q1, strongly beating our estimates of 25%. Banks, autos, OMCs, pharma companies reported a solid earning growth, while metals, agri-input, energy tracked the earnings. Excluding OMCs, Nifty 50 earnings grew by 19% year-on-year. Earning beat-to-miss ratio was favorable with 64% of Nifty 50 companies beating estimates, while 26% missed the earning estimate. For the Sharekhan coverage universe, earning growth of 61% year-on-year beat our estimate of 55%. Q1 corporate earnings growth was the highest since Q3 of FY22 and provides solid base for double-digit earning growth in FY24, supported by good domestic demand as inflationary pressure eased. Recovery in export demand would be keenly watched out in second half of FY24. Nifty 50 earnings estimate for FY24 have seen marginal upgrades of 2% post Q1 result, given earnings upgrade for auto OEMs, some bank and OMCs. Nifty's valuation of 19.5 times FY24 earnings and 17.1 times FY25 earnings EPS appears reasonable given that it is at a discount to its 10-year average multiple. An expectation of a strong 17% CAGR in Nifty 50 earnings over FY23 to FY25 earnings. India's growth story remains resilient and a potential recovery in global economic growth would drive domestic equity markets. Focus on fundamentally quality companies with earning visibility, competitive edge and reasonable valuation. High conviction investment ideas. In large cap, we have Reliance, SBI, L&T, Tata Motors, ITC, Tata Consumer, Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, NTPC, IndusInd Bank and Mahanagar Gas. In mid-caps, we have HAL, APL Apollo, L&T Financials, 5-Star Business Finance, Kajaria Ceramic, Federal Bank, Gopaldas Export, Balrampur Chini, TCI Express and Polycab India. High conviction idea in small caps are Welspun Corporation, Kirloskar Brothers, Sterling Tools, Rolex Rings, Chalet Hotels, Himmat Singh Seed, Kaplan Point, Carousel Limited, CI India, Lumax Auto and Kolte Patil Developers. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.